it's Angela at Angela Mutavi Art. Here I have a 10 by 20 that I'm going to be using glitten as the base paint. And I'm going to use only 3 colors here. I have gold, titanium white, and Mars black, and they're all 3 colors are from Arteza. So let's go ahead and get started here. What I'll do is I'll pour the white paint on the canvas, pour it in the middle, and then I will spread it, and once it's all nice and spread on the canvas, then I'll go ahead and pour all the other colors, and I'll make my design. Right now I'm just making sure that there's the consistency of my white paint is right. It was a little bit thicker, so I'm just making sure that it is pourable and it will flow nicely on the canvas. So once that is done, then we'll get started. Now I am not going to be talking a lot because I wanna concentrate on the painting itself and making the design and everything. So I will just let you watch and enjoy the process, and we'll talk towards the end of the video, and I will show you the final result and how it turns out. Okay, enjoy watching, and if you have not subscribed, please do so. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Very important that you hit that notification bell, because that's the only way you're going to get notified every time I upload a new video or I come up with new content. So please hit that notification bell, don't forget. So enjoy the music. It's really awesome. I love this music collection that I have, and I always play about the same music on my video. So if you like the music, go ahead and watch this, and also watch my other videos. If you want me to change the music, please leave me a comment. Mention any music that you like to listen to while you're watching my content, and I will try my best to incorporate it on the videos. Thanks again, and thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. Okay, I'll talk to you in a bit. guys, here's the beautiful, stunning, eye-catching, breathtaking. I love it. I love it to pieces. Love it all. Look at the details. Oh my God. And I love the color combination, the pop of the gold. Love it. Leave a comment and tell me how you like this piece. I will see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.